Did you know that the average person spends nearly 40 hours a year cleaning their bathrooms? That's almost an entire work week dedicated to scrubbing tiles, disinfecting surfaces, and battling soap scum. For many, the mere thought of bathroom cleaning conjures images of drudgery and frustration. Yet, is it possible that amidst the scrubbing and polishing, there lies a hidden satisfaction? Can cleaning be more than just a chore, transforming into a fulfilling ritual that rejuvenates both the space and the spirit? Imagine stepping into a bathroom that sparkles, where the air is fresh and every surface gleams. The sight of a clean bathroom can be incredibly uplifting, creating a sense of order and calm in our often chaotic lives. A clean bathroom not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of our home, but also contributes to our overall well-being. It's a space where we start and end our day, a sanctuary of sorts, and when it's clean, it can set a positive tone for our daily routines. However, many individuals face common challenges when it comes to bathroom cleaning. Time constraints loom large in our busy lives, leaving little room for the meticulous scrubbing that a bathroom demands. Moreover, ineffective cleaning techniques can lead to frustration, as grime seems to cling stubbornly to surfaces, leaving us feeling defeated. And then there's the ever-present lack of motivation. After a long day, the thought of tackling a bathroom can feel overwhelming, making it all too easy to postpone the task indefinitely. But what if there was a way to turn this daunting chore into a satisfying routine? A step-by-step guide could transform the experience, making it not only effective, but also enjoyable. With the right tools and techniques, cleaning the bathroom can become a rewarding endeavor that brings a sense of accomplishment and clarity. To embark on this fulfilling bathroom cleaning routine, gather your essential tools. Start with a good pair of rubber gloves to protect your hands, a sturdy scrub brush, microfiber cloths, a toilet brush, and a mop. For products, stock up on a versatile all-purpose cleaner, toilet bowl cleaner, glass cleaner, and disinfectant wipes. Having everything at your fingertips will streamline the process and minimize interruptions. Begin your routine by decluttering the bathroom. Remove any items from countertops, shelves, and the shower area. This simple act of clearing space can immediately create a sense of order and make the cleaning process feel less daunting. As you remove items, take a moment to evaluate what you truly need. Toss out expired products and consider organizing the remaining items into designated spaces. This not only prepares the area for cleaning, but also sets the stage for a more organized bathroom moving forward. Next, it's time to tackle the surfaces. Start with the shower or bathtub. Spray your all-purpose cleaner generously on the surfaces and let it sit for a few minutes. This waiting period is crucial. It allows the cleaner to penetrate the grime, making it easier to wipe away. Use your scrub brush to tackle any stubborn spots, relishing the satisfaction of watching soap scum and mildew dissolve under your efforts. Rinse thoroughly and step back to admire the transformation. The gleaming surfaces serve as a reminder of your hard work and dedication. Moving on to the toilet, apply the toilet bowl cleaner and let it sit while you clean the rest of the bathroom. Wipe down the exterior of the toilet with disinfectant wipes, paying attention to the handle and base, which often harbor germs. After a few minutes, return to the bowl, giving it a thorough scrub with your toilet brush before flushing. The sight of a sparkling clean toilet feels like a small victory, a testament to your commitment to cleanliness. Next, shift your focus to the sink and countertop. Use your all-purpose cleaner to wipe down these surfaces, taking care to get into the corners where grime tends to accumulate. Use a microfiber cloth for a streak-free finish. As you clean, take a moment to appreciate how much brighter and more inviting the bathroom feels. The act of wiping away dirt and grime can be almost meditative, allowing you to clear your mind while you work. Don't forget the mirrors. A quick spray of glass cleaner and a few swipes with a microfiber cloth can transform foggy, streaked mirrors into crystal-clear reflections. The sparkle of the mirrors can elevate the entire bathroom, making it feel more spacious and welcoming. Finally, finish up with the floor. Sweep or vacuum to remove hair and debris, and then mop with a suitable cleaner. As you glide the mop across the floor, take a moment to reflect on the journey you've taken from clutter and grime to a pristine space. The satisfaction of a clean floor underfoot is the cherry on top of your hard work. As you step back and admire your handiwork, take a moment to breathe in the fresh scent of cleanliness. The before and after transformation is nothing short of rewarding. You've not only created a space that is visually appealing, but also one that promotes health and well-being. A clean bathroom can enhance your mood, reduce stress, and even inspire you to maintain other areas of your home. In recap, the key steps to a satisfying bathroom cleaning routine include decluttering, tackling the shower and toilet, wiping down surfaces, cleaning mirrors, and mopping the floor. Each step is an opportunity to witness the power of your efforts, turning an often dreaded chore into a fulfilling ritual. By maintaining a clean bathroom, you're not just creating a pleasant environment. You're investing in your overall well-being and setting the stage for a more organized, peaceful life. So, the next time you find yourself dreading bathroom cleaning, remember that it can be more than just a task. Embrace the process, enjoy the transformation, and relish the satisfaction that comes from creating a space that reflects your commitment to cleanliness and self-care.